students, myself Hariganesh Tripathi. Students, today we will discuss about the circle. This is the first lecture of this chapter. What do you mean circle? So you can define it. Circle. A circle is the collection of points in a plane whose distance from a fixed point remains constant. Students, just listen. Circle is the collection of points in a plane whose distance from a fixed point remains constant. Suppose that this is a point O. This is a fixed point. And if you have taken a point P here, and these points around the fixed point at the same distance, when this is moving, it makes a proper circle. This is a circle. And the distance from, suppose that OP, or you can take here R, or you can take a point here M. These, any point M, point P, or point R will equal a distance from point O. Okay? And this fixed point of the circle is called center of the circle. Center of the circle. And this is called circumference of the circle. Circumference of circle. Okay, students? It means that circle means nothing. It means only the collection of the point at the same distance from a fixed points around that point. Okay? So this is your fixed point O. And around this, if you are making the collection of the points and each point are at equal distance, then it's prepare a circle. Okay, students? Now, if you have not written this, you can take a screenshot of these points. Okay? Now, interior and exterior of the circle. Interior and exterior of the circle. Students, suppose that this is your circle with the center O, and you have taken a point P here and a point Q here. The point P, it is located inside of the circle. So this is interior point of the circle. and point Q is located outside of the circle, so it is exterior point of the circle. Interior means inside of the circle and exterior means outside of the circle. So if her interior or exterior part, interior means within the circle, inside the circle, and out exterior means outside of the circle. Anywhere you can take on the same plane any points, if that is not inside the circle, that is exterior. If it is inside the circle, then this is interior. After that, radius and diameter. Students, radius means this is your circle and this is center of the circle O, and this is any point on this circle. Suppose that A is A point is on the circle. The distance between O and A, it is called radius. It is called radius. Okay? And diameter means, if this is a circle with center O, and you have taken a point A here and point B here, and on the circle, and you draw a line segment passing through the center. So this is diameter of the circle. Diameter of the circle. Now students, you can see here, the diameter is just twice to the radius. Just twice. It means that diameter means, and diameter is equal to 2 into radius. 2 into radius. If you have denoted diameter by the D and radius by R, it will be equal to 2R, that is 2R. 2 into R means 2R. So radius is twice of the, and diameter is twice of the radius. Similarly, if you change it, radius means diameter upon 2. Radius means diameter upon 2. Any problem, students? If you have any problems, you can ask me. Okay? Now, move forward. Chord of the circle. Chord of circle. A line segment with its in line on the circle is called a chord of the circle. Students, a line segment with its ends lying on this circle is called a chord of the circle. It means that you can see here, this is your circle and this is the center of the circle, O. if you have taken a point P here and next point Q here and meeting this point, the PQ is called chord of the circle. Chord of the circle. Okay? And 2 points. When we take any 2 points on the circle and we meet these 2 points by a line segment, so this line segment is known as chord of the circle. Suppose that circle is passing through, that chord is passing through your center, it will be your diameter. Then diameter is the longest chord of this circle. So note it, please. Diameter is the longest chord of a circle. Okay, students? The longest chord of the circle is what? That is your diameter. Except to diameter, no other is the longest chord. Diameter is the longest. Okay? This is very important point for you. So, keep it in your mind. The longest chord of the circle is your diameter. Now, seconds of the circle. A line penetrating to a circle at any 2 points is called secant of circle. Students, just listen. Penetrating line. This is very important part of this definition. And it is line, not line segments. When suppose that you have taken a circle here with the center C and a line passing the circle by penetrating it at 2 points at points M and N. So this line, suppose that this is a line, so this line L is your secant. It is your secant. Clear? Line, not line segments. A line passing to the circle by penetrating it at 2 points. Then it is called secants. Okay? Here you can see that this line is passing the circle at 2 points at point M and point N. So your line L is your secant. Clear? Circumference of circle. Students, I have already told you about the circumference, but you can write the definition of the circumference. The perimeter of a circle is called its circumference. Circumference means perimeter of the circle. Perimeter means sum of sides. So in circle, you can't count the sides. So the total length of the circle, this, and the total length of the boundary, this is called circumference. This is total length. And you suppose that you are moving from P and again you come to the P. Then this is you, and you are covering your perimeter, and this perimeter is known as circumference. Yani perimeter. And you have to formula for find the circumference. Is equal to pi into diameter. You know that diameter is equal to 2 radius and 2 r. Then you can write 2 pi r. Students, this is pi. And value of pi is equal to 22 upon 7. It means 3.14. Clear? Any problem, students? So for today, you have only for here. And the rest portion of this chapter, we will discuss in second lectures tomorrow. Okay, thank you.